Sante inkulu eseza ngaphambili emphelezele umuthi di dam dam damba shi I need no more kodwa man need no more kodwa man Abalidiselo because she shall prophesy, she shall stand and declare the goodness of the Lord one of the days. Kasimshaya izandla sakhe lapha phansi uNkulunkulu akubusise.